I have the pleasure to invite our next speaker, Brian Boserup. I think you're from Denmark.
Brian.
Brian, okay. Brian, welcome, Brian. You are, well, doesn't look like you're at the moment in Denmark.
No, but I'm not in the Caribbean, but it's my first time on Zoom, so I don't know how to remove this one, but it looks nice anyway.
It looks even, I mean, it's moving. I just have the virtual background without just as a picture.
Yeah.
So you are from Blue Technology, which is a company that I think deals with also the topic of your presentation, how to design, develop zero emission vessels.
Yes,
Brian,
correct.
Now, floor is yours.
Yeah. We all are aware of the industry's very ambitious target to reduce its emission 50% by 2050. And to succeed, I'm confident that we need to have a great number of zero emission ships in service already by 2030. So we have to aim for zero emission. I mean, we have heard a lot of talks about different fuels and how we can reduce our emissions, but if we are to go zero emission, then we have to aim for it, and that's what we're doing with this project. We have a ship designed with the greatest respect of aerodynamics and hydrodynamics, and this ship is covered with solar cells, so we have additional energy. Our belief is we have to harvest whatever energy is supplied where we are, so that means wind and solar. And we have had a proof of concept completed last year, where we can see that we can harvest enough wind energy actually to produce even and store electricity on board the ship when we have a surplus of wind energy. So as soon as we reach like 8 meters per second, we start to store energy on board the ship, still keeping a good boat speed. And we will use that one electricity once we have no wind or poor wind conditions. So
I don't know whether it's just me, but I cannot hear you at the moment. Maybe have you muted yourself?
Out now or?
Now it's okay. Yes.
Okay. Yeah. So we have developed a wing design, and this will generate the main propulsion for the ship. I can see my internet is unstable. Maybe that's the reason. I'm still on?
Yes, now it's fine. It sounded like you just muted yourself for a moment.
Okay. We have a very different hull design than we see traditionally, but if upscaled to 170 meter, and then this version will be able to move like 8,000 tons of cargo, and that's what we are aiming for. We like to make our first version a pure car carrier, as this cargo is easy to load and unload, and a route cross Atlantic from Belgium to Mexico is very suitable for this kind of ship. Additionally, we have been looking at the cruise industry, but of course, due to the COVID-19, they are struggling now and trying to survive. But this kind of ship could be very interesting for cruising as well, as we have extreme stability, and we don't have propeller noise and propeller vibration, and we will not destroy the sites where we are going. Finally, we have been looking for also a container version, and we will never be able to transport 20,000 containers, but if we can transport close to 1,000, 1,200, then we do have a business case, because we don't have any fuel consumption. right now we are building a joint industry project where we are aiming to have a 17 meter, it means 1-10 version of the big ship, and we are looking for partners to help us to mature this one and to bring it alive. We aim to have this demo ship in the water within 2 years from now, and this will help us to achieve technology readiness level number 6, a EU standard, and after that one we can apply for some real funding. Right now we are working on improving the hull and reducing the resistance, and this is part also of this next project, and we're doing well, and we are pushing forward, and with the speed that the economy allows us to, and but we believe within this year we will have the funding completed, and so we look for like 7 million euro to bring this one alive. And it's been an exciting 12 years, and it's probably going to be exciting another many years before we reach the final 170 meter version. Right now we have had the article you see on the screen is from last week, and so it is gaining momentum here, at least in most of Europe. Wind propulsion is being more seen as a value, and that it can actually assist shipping in getting back to zero emission. Yeah. That is my presentation, and I welcome any questions, and I look forward to discuss this topic further with anybody.
Excellent, thank you so much. And again, your background looks very attractive, like the presentation, the product that you've presented here. It's really great to see, and I must say I was attending the Blue Week in Rotterdam, where such concepts was presented. The innovative spirit that I can see in that in the shipping area is really very inspiring at this point of time.